Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we are organizing your work in Bitrix24. I'll show you how to create tasks, set deadlines, and link them to deals. First, let's create a task. From your dashboard, click Tasks in the left menu. Then, click the plus sign or New Task. Give your task a clear name. Next, set a deadline. In the task window, find the date field. Click the calendar icon and choose the due date. This adds urgency and helps with planning. Now, let's assign it. Click in the responsible person field. Start typing a teammate's name and select them. They will get a notification instantly. Here's a powerful tip. Link the task to a deal. At the bottom of the task form, look for CRM. Click it and search for the deal this task is for. This connects your work directly to the sales process. Click Save and your task is live. You can track its progress right from the tasks section. And that's it. You're now managing tasks, deadlines, and CRM links like a pro. If this streamlined your workflow, please like and subscribe. See you next time.